Kung nais mong mag-abroad or magpunta para magtrabaho o di kaya ay mag-migrate with your family, thinking that you will have a brighter future here in Canada, kaibigan, panoorin mo muna ito. 8 months kami sa Winnipeg. Ito yung capital city ng Manitoba. Bago kami napadpad dito sa rural area, mga 130 kilometers away from Winnipeg, dito kami sa Notre Dame de Lourdes, Municipality of Lorne. Kapag sanay ka naman sa city life like Toronto, Vancouver, Winnipeg area is just right for you. Meron ding malls, may restaurants, and big groceries na mag-cater or magbigay ng pangangailangan nyo. Shopping and recreation usually nasa paligid mo lang. At kung karamihan ng pamilya mo are in those cities, madali mo lang silang makasama. Diba? At ang mga industries like manufacturing and other jobs, nandito na rin. But the thing is, mas mataas din ang cost of living, diba? Rent ng bahay and lifestyles, magbabago yan. Depende rin sa tao, kung minsan. Pero kung ma-adapt nila, yung influence ng city na nandun sila, ay magkakaroon sila ng mas mataas na cost of living. Ngunit, kung ang hanap mo ay nature, relax na pamumuhay, kalma lang, na kung tutuusin, ang ingay ay huni ng mga ibon, lagaslas ng hangin, at mas payapang paligid ika nga, then consider living in countryside. So guys, what I am trying to say is, lalo na sa mga gustong mag-abroad, first, ready ka for all options. Your goal is to settle happily and enjoy the life that you will be embracing for the next chapter of your life. Happiness is a choice, di ba? Palaging sinasabi, and regretting the past is just a waste of time. Keep moving forward. The journey is more important than the goal. Ika nga. Savor every moment and use every opportunity to do what matters most to you. So living, either in the city or countryside, will never determine your happiness. It's up to you to follow what makes you happy. So, welcome kayo sa Canada, mga kaibigan. Ano man ang balak nyo, mapa syudad man o doon sa countryside, lahat tayo magiging masaya at maligaya kasama natin ang ating pamilya.